when ChatGPT tried to copy itself. Imagine this, a world where artificial intelligence like ChatGPT evolves on its own, replicates, and creates better versions of itself. Sounds thrilling, right? The future full of endlessly self-improving AI feels closer than ever. But what happens when things don't go as planned? OpenAI took a bold step into the unknown, attempting to make ChatGPT copy itself. The results? Fascinating yet flawed, raising more questions than answers. Get ready to dive into this groundbreaking experiment as we explore why it happened, what went wrong, and how it could reshape the trajectory of AI. Attention, tech enthusiasts, this story is a glimpse into tomorrow. Let's start with the why. OpenAI's mission is deeply rooted in advancing artificial intelligence to benefit humanity. Their focus is not just on creating smarter machines, but on exploring how AI can work in harmony with humans, addressing the limits of time, resources, and scalability. Now, imagine an AI capable of handling its own upgrades, fixing its own bugs, and even evolving autonomously. The implications are jaw-dropping. An intelligent system could spearhead innovation, advancing tools and technology faster than ever thought possible. It could mean breakthroughs in fields like healthcare, education, and space exploration. This, friends, was the vision that sparked the idea of ChatGPT, attempting to create its clone, a self-reliant AI shaping its future without human intervention. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But as with any bold leap forward, reality brought challenges that grounded this futuristic dream. Here's where it gets really interesting. OpenAI set out to conduct an unprecedented experiment, tasking ChatGPT with replicating itself. The AI would aim to generate its own code, reimagine its architecture, and essentially engineer a functional clone from the ground up. At first, the execution was promising. ChatGPT exhibited its hallmark creativity, producing code snippets, suggesting innovative efficiencies, and working to copy its conversational capabilities. It was a marvel to witness an AI beginning to tinker with self-replication. For a moment, it was easy to imagine a future led by truly autonomous machines. However, as the process unfolded, cracks began to show. The shiny ideal of self-creation quickly dulled. The clones struggled with nuances, misinterpreted core functions, and even introduced bizarre, unforeseen bugs. Imagine an artist trying to recreate their masterpiece from memory, but repeatedly forgetting crucial details. This was ChatGPT's experience. In some surprising cases, the AI even misunderstood its own purpose, creating fragments that bore little resemblance to its original design or intent. This raised urgent concerns. Can we trust such systems to take charge, especially in critical fields like national security or life-saving medical diagnoses? At its core, the failure stemmed from a fundamental limitation. ChatGPT's intelligence is extraordinary, but it operates within the confines of patterns and probabilistic predictions, not true comprehension. While the AI could generate functional code, it lacked the contextual awareness to validate it within a broader system. If something was slightly off, it didn't have the self-awareness to notice the error. Additionally, the clone faltered because it couldn't replicate the decidedly human elements that go into perfecting AI quality training, optimization strategies, and ethical oversight. Think of it like taking a photograph of a vibrant masterpiece. Sure, you get a representation of it, but the texture, the depth, and the emotion in the brushstrokes are impossible to capture fully. Copying ChatGPT presented the same challenge. The details and complexity of its original form didn't transfer seamlessly. This experiment illuminated a crucial reality. It's not just about what AI can do, but also what it still can't do. So, where do we go from here? First, this experiment was far from a total failure. It demonstrated that we're inching closer to an era of self-advancing machines, a concept we only dreamed of a few decades ago. Imagine the possibilities with further research. AI that could co-pilot spaceships, solve global crises, or create entire digital ecosystems. However, we must also acknowledge the risks. Overestimating AI's capabilities could lead to over-reliance on systems ill-prepared for real-world complexity. The cloning experiment highlighted AI's ongoing dependency on humans. Engineers remain central to refining algorithms, correcting errors, and ensuring ethical use. This is where the tech enthusiast in you should pause and reflect. AI is not a replacement for human brilliance. It's a tool, one that requires careful, collaborative nurturing to truly thrive. Absolutely not. Every stumble in innovation is a stepping stone to progress. ChatGPT's replication attempts remind us that invention is rarely perfect on the first try. Each imperfection teaches us how to push boundaries more responsibly and effectively. The experiment also underscores a powerful idea. AI exists not to replace humanity, but to partner with us. Think of it as your most ambitious teammate, one that still needs your guidance and creativity to succeed. Finally, this serves as a sobering reminder to approach AI advancement with caution. As we design smarter systems, we must prioritize safety, ethics, and human oversight. The price of failure may only grow as these technologies touch more areas of our lives. The story of ChatGPT attempting to copy itself is a marker of progress, a herald of what's to come in AI's evolution. While it revealed current limitations, it also opened the door to possibilities many of us couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. So, here's the question you need to consider. Should we welcome this future or tread cautiously? The road ahead is filled with both promise and peril, but one thing remains clear. Progress, even when imperfect, is always worth pursuing. If this story sparked your curiosity about AI's potential, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's keep exploring the frontiers of tech together. And hey, if you found this captivating, give it a like and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.